How to connect n8n with DALL-E. So in order to do that, you first need to make sure to go over to your n8n. Now, we need to have an OpenAI API. So head over to a new tab and search right here for OpenAI API. From in there, you just need to go over to this API platform. Once you're in here, you should be able to get an API directly from them. From in there, click on the Start Building, and then just write here your organization name and then just create it right here. Once you have actually created your organization, head over and then you should be able to have your OpenAI platform. Just right here the API key name. Let's name this n8n and click on this generate. It will give you the API. So head back right here to your n8n, and then from in there, you need to start with this. So click onto this plus icon. Just right here for OpenAI. Click onto this right here. Then in here we have this image actions. So typically DALL-E is for the image option. So let's choose this generate an image. Now for this case, just need to head over and then just select your credential, click on this create, add in here the API key and click on save. After that, it will be saved and you should be able to see in here this. Now you have in here the model, which is DALL-E 3. Now, from in there, just head over and input right here prompt that you want to use. Head back to your canvas and it should be able to be used. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.